Cheers.
Cheers. People often wonder why our workshops are actually worth their time to even come. Why should I go there, Tiffany? What are you guys talking about?
We talk a lot about different topics that are relevant to the people that we treat and to the people who we discuss things with on the phone. Go ahead.
Sorry. I just makes me think about that. We really believe that education is foundational. We spend a good portion of our time during our treatment sessions educating all of our clients.
Right, whether it's anatomy, whether it's kinesiology, whether it's how your body moves or how you respond to the environment, or
why things are occurring the way that they are occurring. Why do they feel this way? Why do they have muscle soreness? Why am I having a hard time climbing up this step or getting out of a chair, getting out of bed?
Right.
That it really is a core for us, is that educational component.
So when we talk about a particular topic, say balance or strengthening of, say, a rotator cuff or a joint, we educate around the entire subject, not just in minor particulars. So somebody who can't reach above their head, it's helpful to know, why do I need to strengthen my rotator cuff, and what part does my rotator cuff play in the whole ability to lift my arm above my head, and what things can be done to help improve that.
When you think about the workshop format, it really is an informal educational event. They are designed to be interactive and practical solution oriented, and it's always tailored to the people that are coming, to their needs. We ask these questions before we ever even have the workshop. What is it that you're hoping to learn more about? What is it about this workshop that made you interested in attending, so that we can make sure that we are answering everyone's questions and we are able to have that interactive session. In all of our workshops, I would say that has been probably the best part about it, is the interactive sessions, when people are able to ask questions, and when you've got a good group that like to ask questions and feel good about talking.
Right, and they all are interested in each other's scenarios, if you will, that bring them to the workshop. So it's a good commiseration time, a good time to bounce ideas off and see what other people are experiencing as well, and see how they've been working with it.
So if you've ever felt stuck or frustrated with where you are and not unsure what to do next, go ahead, come on over for one of our workshops. Take a look at our upcoming events and see what you might be interested in, if it works in your calendar, and check us out.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching.